hands together for yourselves. Thank you very much. Brilliant. It's really nice to see so many people here, and we've not had a ball for a while. It's fantastic to see so many people here supporting Llama Cricket Club. Now we've got, a little bit later on in the proceedings, we've got Mr. Happy, who the band is going to play tonight. Mr. Happy. And we also have Llama's own Andy Fullard, who's going to be and if we're really lucky, Ben Cooper is going to be on about 1:30 when we're closing to do his thing. But what I'd like to say is thank you very much again for your support. It's going to be a great night tonight, and I really do hope you enjoy the night. And yeah, have a good one. Thank you.